Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code to Rover. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a promo code to Rover. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Rover. Next, click on More on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, towards the bottom, you can click on Apply Promo Codes and click on that. So this is where you're going to be able to enter your promo or gift code and then click on Apply. Additionally, you could also click on Payments, then click on Apply Promo Code. And you can see here that you can enter your coupon or promotional or gift code over here as well. Then click on Redeem. But that way there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your promo code to the Rover app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.